Onions are a staple in kitchens worldwide, enhancing the flavor of dishes and providing essential vitamins and minerals. However, onions can also serve another purpose: pest control. It might be surprising, but onions possess natural insecticidal properties that make them an effective solution for getting rid of pests. Onions contain a compound called allicin, which, when insects come into contact with it, can damage their cell membranes and disrupt their respiratory systems. This makes onions a natural and safe alternative to chemical pesticides. Here are some of the best ways to use onions to repel pests. 1. Rats. When using onions as rat poison, avoid cooking them. They are only toxic to rats when raw. Raw onions cause an immediate anemic reaction in rats, depriving their cells of oxygen. Consuming large amounts of onion can lead to kidney failure and may kill an adult rat within 12 hours. To use onions as a rat poison, place chopped onions in areas where you suspect rats are active. If the rats eat the onions, they may experience digestive issues that can lead to their death. You can also mix chopped onions with other ingredients like garlic, hot peppers, or sugar and spread this mixture around the affected areas. Alternatively, you can make onion tea by steeping chopped onions in boiling water for a few minutes. Once the tea cools, mix it with other ingredients and spread it where rats are present. The scent of the onion tea will attract the rats, and consuming it can cause digestive problems. While onions can be an effective rat poison, it's important to note that this method might not be 100% effective and should be used alongside other rat control strategies. 2. Lice. The acidic juices of onions are known to penetrate the hair and weaken lice. To use onions for this purpose, start by peeling an onion and slicing it into small pieces. Blend the onion with about 2 to 3 milliliters of water in a juicer or blender, then strain the mixture to obtain a clear onion extract. You can also mix the onion juice with any hair oil if desired. Apply the juice to your hair using a spray bottle or a cotton swab, ensuring it reaches your scalp. Leave the onion juice on your hair for at least 30 to 40 minutes, then wash your hair with a clarifying shampoo. 3. Flies. Onions are an effective deterrent for flies. You can cut an onion in half or finely chop it and place it in bowls around your home to keep flies away. The scent of onions is unappealing to flies, causing them to avoid the area. 4. Bug spray. In the garden, the sulfur in onions emits an odor that repels bugs. To make a DIY natural insect repellent, combine 4 garlic bulbs and a small onion with water in a spray bottle. Apply this mixture to your plants to keep pests at bay. 5. Lizards. Similar to garlic, lizards dislike onions because of their strong odor. Simply hang onions near doors or windows, or place them in potential hiding spots to deter lizards. You can also create a spray by mixing water with onion juice to keep them away. This is an effective, natural alternative to chemical repellents and helps manage lizard problems. 6. Mosquitoes. Using onion peels as a mosquito repellent is a natural and cost-effective method worth trying if you're seeking a chemical-free option. While it may not be as powerful as commercial repellents, it can still help reduce the number of mosquitoes in your area. You can also create a mosquito spray by slicing onions and soaking them in a bowl of water. Pour the soaked water into an empty spray bottle and spray it around your room or sleeping area to repel insects and mosquitoes. The only drawback is that it will leave your room with a strong onion scent. 7. Cockroaches. They dislike the smell of pepper as well as the strong scent of garlic and onion. To create a natural repellent, boil some water and add 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1 onion, and a few garlic cloves. Let the mixture boil, then cool it down. Pour it into a spray bottle and apply it to the infested areas of your apartment. 8. Snakes. The sulfonic acid found in garlic and onions, the same chemical that causes tears when chopping onions, can repel snakes. To deter them, finely chop onions, mix them with rock salt, and sprinkle this mixture around your home and yard in areas where snakes are commonly found. You can also infuse garlic into any essential oil and use it to fumigate rafters, basements, and other hard-to-reach places. For general pest control, onions can be highly effective if prepared correctly. Start by peeling and chopping onions into small pieces, then place them in a container with water. Allow the mixture to sit for a few hours or overnight, so the onion oils infuse into the water. Once the onion mixture is ready, there are several ways to apply it. Spray bottle. Pour the onion mixture into a spray bottle and spray it directly onto plants or areas where pests are present. Soil drench. Pour the onion mixture around the base of plants to repel pests. Traps. Place small containers of the onion mixture around the garden to attract and trap pests. While onions can effectively repel pests, they may also deter beneficial insects, so use them with caution and monitor your garden's health. When using onions for pest control, it's important to follow safety measures to avoid any negative effects. Wear gloves. Onions contain sulfur compounds that can cause skin irritation or burns, so always wear gloves when handling onions or onion-based pest control solutions. Avoid contact with eyes and nose. These sulfur compounds can also irritate the eyes and nose. Be careful not to touch your face while handling onions or their solutions. Keep away from pets and children. Onions are toxic to pets, especially cats and dogs. Keep onion-based pest control solutions out of their reach. Proper disposal. After using onion-based pest control solutions, dispose of them properly. Do not pour them down the drain or in your yard, as they can harm the environment. By following these precautions, you can effectively use onions for pest control without any negative consequences. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.